Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing straight grain hardwood, white oak or hickory, for strength and predictable flex. Once chosen, mark the blade profile to standard training length, then transfer the outline to the blank so you have cutting guides. This prevents asymmetric shaping later. Use a bandsaw or jigsaw to cut the rough shape, leaving about 0.5 to 1 cm of extra material for fine sanding and final bevels. Make sure to cut with the grain to avoid grain runout and reduce tear out while preserving wood fibers. Once the rough cut is done, refine the blade's curvature and bevels using a rasp and spoke shave, removing small amounts each pass to keep symmetry. You'll carve the tang, full or partial, so it fits the handle socket tightly. Test fit frequently, because a loose tang makes a dangerous katana. If you laminated pieces, glue with waterproof adhesive and clamp for 24 hours to achieve consistent density and avoid delamination. Make sure the spine thickness balances flexibility with stiffness for safe practice. You finish by sanding from coarse to fine grits, 80 to 320, rounding the edges and smoothing the bevels so the katana is safe to handle. Once smooth, fit the handle onto the tang, secure with a pin or epoxy, then wrap with cord or tsuka ito for grip. Make sure the fit is snug to prevent rattle. Seal the wood with oil or thin lacquer for moisture resistance. If you see cracks, loose tang, or excessive flex, stop, re-glue or replace the tang, and re-inspect before training.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.